Hello everyone, welcome to TakeOver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to format and style a blog post. For that I need to log into my WordPress. From dashboard I will click on post. Let's edit this blog post. In this blog post I have some paragraph and a feature image. Now I'm going to add an image. For that let's click on this plus sign. Image, upload image. Let's upload this one. Let's take it in the center. For that click on this align center. Now it is aligned. So now I'm going to add a gallery. For that click on gallery, upload. I'm going to choose this 3 image. They're here. Now I'm going to add a comment box for the users. So let's go to post and then scroll down, and in discussion section we have allow comments. So click on this one and let's update it. Click on view post. As you can see, here is my feature image, blog title, paragraph, image, gallery, and the comment box. This is how you can format and style your blog post. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.